Unlocking the secret, converting bad fat into calorie-burning good fat. Imagine a world where your body works to burn fat, even while at rest. Welcome to the science of converting bad fat into good. Picture this, your body stores fat in two types, white and brown. White stores energy, brown burns it. Our mission: turn white to brown. Break the myth that all fats are equal. They're not. Brown fat functions like a furnace, an ally to your weight loss journey. Time to get moving. Regular exercise helps to convert white fat into brown. Don't sweat the details, just get up and start. Cold temperatures stimulate the conversion. Step into a cold shower, embrace winter walks. Your brown fat will thank you. Food matters. A balanced diet with the right nutrients can boost the process. Fiber-rich foods, dairy, and lean meats are your friends. Take charge of your life today. Convert your bad fat into good, and let your body work in your favor for a change.